like rainbows in the mist, colors so bright, a love that shines so pure in the heart of the night. A journey of two souls, a love that's meant to be, a love that will last forever, like the mist of Niagara Falls. Mist of love, a veil of enchantment, a promise of forever, a moment so grand. From the heart of the falls, a love so divine, where two souls intertwine in a dance that's sublime. The mist of love, a gift from above, a reminder of the power